Big Bear AI Holdings BBAI stock up 16% on the day. You guys, I told you, what have I been telling you? If you've been following this channel long enough, you know what I've been telling you. I've been telling you, guess what? When this stock comes down to the purple line, nobody wants it. Then it goes kaboom, right? Nobody wants it, then the big explosion. So here we are, big explosion. The sell target is $5. From there, if we can break 5, the sky's the limit at that point. From 5, we would go to 7, and then back to 10. So up to you if you want to continue to hold it or take the profit at $5. If you were buying at around 3 and under, I mean, you're almost, not quite, but almost 100%. If you bought at the purple line, you're up, what? You should be up like 20% or more. Let me check, because I could check this real quick. Yeah, 30%. That's not bad for just sitting on it. Just buying at the purple line and sitting on it. What's the catalyst, though? Why is this moving? Because I'm not seeing any announcement here on the right-hand side. So what's moving this? Is there something that came out that I'm just not... I'm missing here? Like, what happened? Let me see if I can pull up BBAI stock news. What's going on with this one? Anyone know why this is moving? Because I don't see any headlines here. Okay, this is just weird. I don't see a headline. I'm not even joking right now. Is it because the enhanced passenger processing biometric technology at major ports? I'm going to have to go to Twitter and see what the hell's going on, but... Yeah, but you can see here in the Discord, BBAI, one of the few still under the 200 WMA, still at a discount. No reason not to be buying stocks right now. If you were buying when it was discounted over 20% before the pumps. So I was just telling people, like, hey, it's at the purple line. It's a buy. So if you bought it at 325, it was at 325 at that point. So if you bought it when I was like pounding the table on it, like I said, I can't buy everything. Can't be in every single stock. Right now I'm heavy in uranium and scalping options contracts on MSTR. But yeah, if you bought it at 325 on that day, that I was like, hey, this is still under the 200. I mean, 325 from where it is right now. I mean, holy crap, you made 50%. You're up 50%. That's crazy. I wasn't expecting that much. Wow. Okay, why not? But again, I don't see any news. Let me go to Twitter and see if maybe someone knows what the hell is going on. Because it up 17% on a whim doesn't make sense. There's got to be a reason for that 17%. Because we're getting quite the volume as well. It has to break 5. Right now it's struggling. But if it can break 5, we'll go to 10. No, not 10. What am I saying? No. Let me I take that back before someone does something stupid. If it breaks 5, we go to 7. Then from there, 10. But I don't know if it's going to happen today. We're going to see. Because this is a big level right here. Where we always reject and push down. I know someone in my Discord probably chasing like an idiot. Someone is chasing like I'm pretty confident about that one. Is it just a technical breakout? I guess it's just a technical breakout. I don't really see anything. Yeah, I don't see anything. This is okay. So because okay? As far as I can tell, there's no news behind this. So what that means is this is going to be short-lived technical pump, which at that point, I would just take profit at $5. If you bought it back when I was pounding the table on it at around $3, I mean you're up 50%. 50% and 50%. 50% is 50%. So I do wonder if there's news about to be dropped soon or something. Let me look at the previous movement here. We pumped here to here, here to here. So Yeah, so this big move here was not that was there was a catalyst behind that, but if there's no catalyst behind this and it's just a technical pump, then it's just whatever. Probably the biggest thing is watching for that $5 break. Let me look at the weekly. Hey, weekly crossover happened here. That would have been another signal to buy. It's breaking out. It does have to get above 5. That's pretty much all there is to it. Monthly time frame. What's going on in the monthly? Quarterly looks like maybe a cup starting. I don't know. All right, that's that. This is the weirdest video I've ever made because I don't. I'm looking to see if there's anything that I missed, but I don't see anything. Yeah, if this is just a technical pump, it'll drop. It should not break out because people are going to take profits. They're just going to be looking to play the technical breakout and then get out. So we should see selling pressure. I'll be shocked though if I'll be shocked if it breaks 5. If it can, yeah, I'll be shocked. Let me check the smaller time frames right now. Yeah, you can see it's just going sideways up here at $5. So if buyers continue to show up, we could go above 5, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm not gonna sit here and watch it because I'm not gonna chase either at that point. That's just stupid. I'm not gonna chase when I was alerting it nice and cheap at 325 as you saw. I was like, guys, this is a buy. I'm not gonna buy it because I can't buy everything. Again, I'm looking more at Bitcoin mining stocks and MSTR and uranium and other stocks. So, but we knew BBAI was eventually going to get a move. But people don't have the patience, right? They just want to buy it same day and it goes up 50% same day. Like that's just how people are. Those who are patient and disciplined, they bought down there when I was like, hey, this is a buy here under the purple line at 325 and you're up 50%. Yes, it took a few months, but a few months to make 50%, that's not bad. Not bad at all for just sitting there. Alright, that's it for the video. I thought we had a catalyst. I'm actually kind of disappointed. Like, is there seriously no catalyst? BBAI. I'm looking for it. I'm like, where is it? I'm desperately searching on Twitter. Like, some people are saying this is going to benefit from the Middle East and what's going on with AI. Some people are saying the stock is ready to run. Run where? Down? Some people are calling it a launch. Yeah, so as you can see right now, it's kind of struggling here at $5. That's a big level, and a lot of people are just gonna sell there. Whether buyers show up is a whole nother. That's a whole nother thing. And the volume that's coming in right now, it's traders jumping in to take advantage of the momentum, to get in and get out, and leave the dumb ones holding the bag. I thought if there was a catalyst behind this, I'd be more bullish. I'd be like, hey guys. This is looking good for, 7 and 10. So unless they're going to drop news soon, this is going to go absolutely nowhere. I mean, look at this idiot right here. Amanda Barnes, probably a bot. BBAI entries above 474. That's just stupid. Like, I don't mean to be mean, but that's just silly. Hey guys, buy above the 200 WMA and chase at above 474. That's just silly. Like, these are the idiots that we bag. Like, I didn't know people like this existed. There's actually people who go around saying, hey, it's a buy above 5. Chase at $5. Meanwhile, we're buying at like 4. Or when I initially called it in the poker table in the Discord at 325. You're up 50% and these suckers are chasing it. They're our liquidity. This is the benefit of buying under the 200. Well, the benefit of buying when I tell you like, hey, this is looking good right here. I'm not buying it
because I'm buying other stocks like APLD or whatever. There's too many stocks with too much opportunity, too much opportunity everywhere. As long as you're willing to be patient. So yeah, this is just silly. Let's see how dumb this person is. This might be a bot. Turn 500 into 6,200. Yeah, right, buddy. That looks like a bot, right? It's either a bot or a really dumb person. I'm thinking this is a bot because they keep putting, yeah, that's a bot. Or maybe it's a real person that behaves like a bot, I guess. I don't know. Yeah, I don't expect much from this. It's already starting to pull back. I wouldn't chase it. If there was a catalyst, then I'd be like, hell yeah, chase it because it's going to have a multi-day run. But multi-day runs require news. Like if they announced a Palantir partnership, then I'd be like, hell yeah, chase, because that's going to be a multi-day runner. But that's not the case. So kind of like APLD when it ran to $15 from 7. That's because it had news behind it. Without news, it's just kind of it's nothing exciting. So just wait for it to come down to at least 350 to 370 and just buy it again and accumulate it. So you can dump it again when it pops and rinse and repeat. Like these people that are playing the technical patterns, well, they're buying up here, but we bought down here under the 200. So our strategy is not only superior, but we make more money and more percentage wise, and we dump it on the heads of the ones that, chase. So it's just a dub right there. That's the mentality you got to have. You got to be ruthless, guys. You can't just... You got to be ruthless. Like, good old grandma, she holding the bag on BBI. If this thing doesn't break 5,